dApps on Cardano can only do one transaction per block is a lie. There's a lot of FUD. There's a lot of lies going on about Cardano, good people. I was going for my afternoon walk and it's just so many lies going on about Cardano. We told you guys during the run up to September 12th, the smart contracts, there's going to be more FUD than anything, right? And we already know that there is a group of non-Cardano people that just have had this battle against Cardano. And it's a lot of FUD. And we knew it was coming, right, good people? Remember, fear is going to cost you more money than anything. As a matter of fact, they're trying to push the price down. Some, they just don't want it to work. The other is they just want to get it at a better price. So they keep trying to push it down. And if you panic sell without doing your research, you're going to lose. As a matter of fact, I'm going to play a clip from Charles Hoskinson himself. Sir Charles is what I call him. I am going to let you hear it from the horse's mouth. Check this out.
The problem our industry has is they basically say, well, if you don't support my thing, or I can't see a way to make my thing work, what you have constructed is absolutely useless, forever useless, and is just a toy. And then they use vanity metrics, not even understanding what they're saying. You're only at this performance level. You only do, well, increase the block size. Oh, well, okay. They don't really understand how all these components are interconnected to each other, interoperate with each other. What they really don't understand is the single hardest thing to do, and this is what Bitcoin solved, and it's why it's worth $1 trillion, is the establishment of a root of trust. What Cardano has done is be the largest proof-of-stake system in the world with an efficient root of trust, with a beautiful model that will make it easy to roll out computation layers. This was the goal that we wrote down. I actually wrote the paper, but this right here, why Cardano, back in 2016. I said, we want to have this idea of a computation layer. We want to design in layers. This is the notion. We need to somehow figure this out. And it was a humongous technical challenge, and there were a lot of moving pieces to it. And what we've done is we've basically figured that out. And now it's just a matter of deciding the most efficient connection protocols, implementing things like Mithril. And now, because we have a stable foundation, we can work in parallel. Different teams can do things, competing teams can do things. And by the way, competing teams was one of the design principles that we have. A heavy use of interdisciplinary team and InfoSec, fast iteration, competing teams. These were some of the design goals that we had inside this the setup for Cardano, and we're achieving that now because of the architecture. But Reddit won't agree, Telegram won't agree, Twitter won't agree. Guys, it's noise and it's FUD. It is one of the hardest things in the world to build a truly scalable, distributed system that is decentralized and admits Byzantine actors, and to make that system programmable. It's so hard that the Bitcoin community for over 12 years has been trying to figure out how to do that in a way that they consider to be safe. We, as a project, took an enormous amount of inspiration from the successes of Bitcoin and the successes of Ethereum and a lot of the ideas that have come out of the third generation. And what we tried to do is put together a representative sample of the best things that we think. For example, most of the flaws that we see in DeFi and historically in Ethereum smart contracts come in trying to deal with complicated financial arrangements. That's why we created a DSL to make those simple and safe. You need to admit that there's a world outside of your system, so you need the ability to batch and match and process off-chain. So we built that right into the system and into the language, and we're showing people how to do that with the Plutus Pioneers program, and all these applications are coming up with that. We wanted to connect to the formal methods and high assurance world, so we chose a functional language as the entry point so that there'd be a significantly easier and lower cost path to do that level of verification, because there's so many hacks and flaws and other such things. Concurrency comes naturally. It comes either with off-chain interaction, state channels. It comes with concurrent state machines, and there's ways to do that. They can be brought in. It comes with clever load balancing of different UTXOs, linking them together with NFTs. There's all kinds of design patterns that you can do. And we spent the money to bring in different independent development firms to build things, because those firms are going to solve things in a different way. And they make that code available to all of you, not in 6 years, but this month and next month and the month after.
So that is really what's going on. Don't believe the FUD. There's a lot of new accounts on Reddit. These are new people on Reddit. This is not the true Reddit community. There's a lot of bots out there, and there's a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That's going to cause a lot of people to lose out. As a matter of fact, those of you that's been following me, I've been dollar cost averaging in my Coinbase account every day leading up till the 10th. And I'm actually swing trading in my Webull account. So I've actually purchased some more yesterday and the day before yesterday. And I am in my Webull account, I'm going to swing trade those. But the ones in my Coinbase account, I'm holding these long term. As a matter of fact, the profits that I make from my swing trades in my Webull account, I'm going to take those profits and literally add to my Cardano in my Coinbase account. And so I'm just doing it both ways. Now, I'm not telling you what to do. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, but I'm just telling you that don't believe the hype. Don't believe the FUD, all right? And here's a clear sign that there's a lot of FUD coming out. You're going to see more FUD come out after the holiday than ever before about Cardano. All right, good people? Don't fall for the okie doke. All right, good people? Hey, check out my links below. I got Webull, I got Coinbase, and I got BlockFi. And we'll see you later. I know I wasn't supposed to post until Tuesday, but this FUD is just driving me crazy. I just want you guys to hear it from the CEO himself, all right? Remember, never react before you research, all right? Enjoy your holidays, good people. Sorry for the cicadas, they're going crazy. Live, love, laugh, and learn.